Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I am working on a memory decks card and I'm using the new Spring Bunny digital collection by my Crafty boutique here on YouTube and Instagram, and that is Luisa, my Crafty boutique. She designed all of these images that you see in front of you. I shared her digital kit on my live, and now I'm just creating with all of her with her kit basically. Now mind you, she really she did all the images in this kit by hand. All the images you see she drew. Okay, so if you guys want to go check her out, I'm going to put the link in my description box below, and you guys can purchase the kit from her exhibit shop. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put you guys on time lapse and you can just create along with me because I'm just playing right now with her kit. Before I do, I'm going to explain what I did here because I thought I was recording when I was doing this. So on the front I put a bunch of sequins. I filled it up basically. It was supposed to be a shaker, but you know how that goes. It doesn't shake. So what I did, I divided it. I used a tool. I don't know if you guys can see the tool, the mesh, to enclose my shaker. This is crepe paper that I stitched, and I made a box pleat on the sewing machine. Okay, so it looks like that. And then I just folded that in half to give it like a grass kind of effect. Okay, so that's what I did with this. And then I'm just going to use some of the cutouts that she created. I'm going to add it onto my memory decks card. And I'm going to just use that as, instead of putting the foam, well, I might have to put a little bit of foam just to hold it back. Because you see how it's away from the card right here? I just need it to, probably in two spots, right here and right here, just to hold the bicycle back. Okay? Alright, so I'm just going to put you on time lapse and you can just watch. Alright guys, so I'm done with this little shaker memory decks card. I don't know if I'm going to put any information on the back, but this is all that I've done. Whoops. I used all of, well, they're all Luisa's kit, my Crafty boutique. She had the little bunny peeps, and I just had one of her sentiments, Happy Easter. I took one of the rosettes, the crepe paper rosettes, and I used her Easter egg. You saw that. I just cut the shape out of the rosette. You take the rosette, put it on top, cut around, and you have your little Easter egg. I thought that came in perfect. And you know, this I shared before. This is just my stash, my rosettes and my crepe paper ribbons. So I used that for the grass, and then I tucked one of her bicycles into in between the ribbon, so it just looks like it's going through the grass. This is also another sentiment, and that was it. Very simple. I stitched around my memory decks, and yeah, so that's the paper. That's what it looks like underneath all the sequins. And then the sequins are all from Cartwright, except for the tube confettis right here that you see. Those are Dollar Tree confetti. So, and I still have a lot left to play with, and this is just one print of her 3 cut-aparts, okay? So lots and lots to play with. And I don't know, maybe I'll come back to it another time and add a little bit more, but I think that is it, and it's cute. Thank you all for watching. Please go check out Luisa's channel. It's My Crafty Boutique here on YouTube and on Instagram and Facebook. Her Zibbit shop is where she sells her digital kits and her traveler's notebooks that she sells, she creates and sells. And that is also My Crafty Boutique on Zibbit. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Help my channel grow, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.